Hi, this is Pranshu. So in this quick video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about generating custom word lists for password cracking. In this particular case, we will be targeting a specific individual, and we will profile their online presence in an attempt to construct passwords out of the information gathered. So you can easily write a web page crawler for this purpose, but Kali comes equipped with CeWL, which is a Ruby script that spiders a web page and returns a list of words found on the web page. The usage of the tool is quite straightforward. All you have to do is point it to the web page that you're interested in. It will be the web page belonging to your victim. In this particular example, I'm going to target my Twitter page. And you can set the depth to whatever you like. By default, the depth of the crawl is set to 2, but you can change that according to your specific case. You can redirect the output to a file, so the list of words returned will be stored in a file if you use the W parameter. Otherwise, it is displayed on the screen. So I'm going to store it in a file, let's say words.txt. Alright, so the tool has finished its crawl, and it has come up with a list of words found on my Twitter page. And let's quickly check the amount of words present in this file. So it found 23,000, almost 23,000 words on my Twitter webpage. Now, if you're targeting me and if you're gathering words from my Twitter webpage, you're likely to come across things related to security, hacking, and computer forensics and things of that sort. So, which is the purpose of the tool, to create a list of words to be used as passwords depending on your specific target. So, for example, you are likely to find words such as security. So you're likely to find words such as security and cybersecurity and information security in there. And you're likely to find Kali Linux, words such as Kali Linux or hacking or Michigan. So this tool gives you a list of words that you can try as potential passphrases. One of the options you can use while you're generating the list of words is to specify the minimum length of the words to be stored in the files. So if you check the word count again in this file, you will see that the word count has drastically reduced to almost 6,000 as compared to the 23,000 before, because many of the words did not qualify the minimum word length. And so all the words now present in the file are at least 9 characters in length. However, you should remember that the target's password might be a combination of 2 of these small words along with some special characters or numbers, so you would need the smaller words too. Just something to keep in mind. Now let's use this newly created word list to attempt to crack a password. So let's say you grabbed a password hash from a database. Let's say, for example, that you grabbed an SHA-256 password hash from a database, which is here stored in the file hash, and you want to use a password cracker like John the Ripper to crack this hash. Now the password could be really strong, and it would take you a really long amount of time to try to brute force it. So you could use this word list, this targeted word list that we just created, to attempt to crack this password. So you would use John the Ripper and specify the word list that we just created using CeWL, which essentially is a crawler that crawled the victim's web page and created a word list for us, and specify the format. So right away, John the Ripper finds the password in the word list. Now you might not be as lucky, and you might have to combine the words found in the word list to try to create passphrases that the victim might use. But in this case, the password was found right away. And if you check, for example, John's pot file, you will see that this password hash has been cracked using the word list. So the word list contains the passphrase, and so we were able to crack the password quickly, even though it was a long passphrase. So this is just a quick example to show you the usage of CeWL and how it helps create a custom dictionary that is targeted towards a particular individual.